Hi everyone, we are Group 8 and welcome to our video presentation defense for our research. Our research title is all about smart machines, smarter engineering, the rise of AI in mechanical design. Before we move on to our abstract in research, let's talk about the title of our research. Once again, our title of our research is Smart Machines, Smarter Engineering, the Rise of AI in Mechanical Design. Let's talk about detail by detail. So, smart machines. This refers to the increasing use of AI-powered tools and technologies in engineering. These machines can analyze vast amounts of data. For example, AI can quickly process and understand complex data sets, identifying patterns and trends that humans might miss. Second, generate design options. AI algorithms can explore a wide range of design possibilities, suggesting innovative solutions that engineers might not have considered. Third, optimize designs. AI can fine-tune. Third, optimize designs. AI can fine-tune designs to meet a specific performance requirements, maximizing efficiency and minimizing waste. And the second of our title research, Smarter Engineering. AI is making mechanical engineering more efficient, effective, and innovative. For faster design cycles, AI can automate repetitive, accelerating the design process and allowing engineers to focus on more creative aspects. Second, improve accuracy and precision. AI-powered simulations and analysis can predict design performance more accurately, reducing the need for costly prototypes and rework. Enhanced innovation. AI can help engineers explore new designs, concepts, and material, pushing the boundaries of what's possible. Examples of AI in mechanical design. Generative design. AI algorithms can generate multiple design options based on specific constraints, helping engineers find optimal solutions. Second, predictive maintenance. AI can analyze sensor data to predict when machinery is likely to fail, enabling preventative maintenance and reducing downtime. Third, robotics and automation. AI-powered robots can perform complex tasks in manufacturing, improving efficiency and safety. Overall, the rise of AI in mechanical design is leading to more efficient and effective design processes. The more innovative and optimized products and systems, a more sustainable and competitive manufacturing industry. Conclusion: the future of mechanical engineering is intertwined with the advancement of AI, and this powerful combination promises to drive innovation and improve our world. Alright, that's the explanation of our research title. Okay, let's move on to the abstract of our research. Today, let's talk about our abstract in research. Mechanical engineering is the major discipline behind the global shift to renewable energy systems, which advance energy systems toward efficiency and reliability. The current study discusses how mechanical engineering contributed to this change in terms of design, system integration, materials science, computational modeling, and energy storage solutions. It further reviews recent breakthroughs and innovations which have improved efficiency, reduced cost, and enhanced reliability in renewable energy systems. Finally, it discusses current trends and future directions for this area of knowledge. This study places into important perspective the role of mechanical engineering in shaping a sustainable energy future. Therefore, the mechanical engineering is key to the renewable energy revolution. Energy design, build, and improve the systems like wind turbines and solar panels, using better materials and computer models to make them more efficient and reliable, and finding ways to store the energy they produce. This work is crucial for a sustainable energy future. And that's it. That's it. And that's the abstract in our research. Alright. Now that you hear the abstract of our research, let's talk about the introduction of our research. This introduction emphasizes the critical need for transitioning to renewable energy to combat climate change and reduce reliance. This introduction emphasizes the critical need for transitioning to renewable energy to combat climate change and reduce reliance of fossil fuels. It highlights various renewable energy sources such as solar, wind, water, biomass, and geothermal, which are sustainable for and environmental friendly. The role of mechanical engineering is underscored as essentials in designing and maintaining systems that effectively harness these energy sources. Mechanical engineers are at the forefront of developing technologies that optimize the use of renewable energy, ensuring that these systems are both reliable and long-lasting. They focus on innovation in energy conversion, storage solutions, and integrating these systems with existing infrastructures. The study aims to explore how mechanical engineering enhances renewable energy technologies, making them more sustainable and effective. Ultimately, it seeks to illustrate the importance of mechanical engineering in achieving a cleaner and more sustainable energy future. In conclusion, this introduction argues that the shift to renewable energy is crucial for addressing climate change. It highlights the importance of mechanical engineering in designing and maintaining efficient, reliable, renewable energies like solar, wind, hydro, etc. The research will investigate how mechanical engineering advancements contribute to a more sustainable energy future.
Methods. This paper presents the integration of artificial intelligence into mechanical design approaches. This study forms a combination of literature reviews, interviews of industry experts, and analysis of case studies. Methodology. The study is based on a mixed methods approach that incorporates both qualitative and quantitative data analysis. It looks into themes and patterns by literatures and interviews, then the quantitative component makes statistical analysis to evaluate the role of artificial intelligence in matters of design efficiency, cost minimization, and improvement in performance. Data collection, literature review, systematic search and interpretation of the literature through keyword-related searches, and filters relevant to publication. Interviews in industries, semi-structured interviews with mechanical engineers and AI experts. Analysis of case study, collection and analysis of data from the case studies through reports, presentations, publications, and interviews with stakeholders on the projects. Analysis. Thematic analysis, identifying key themes and patterns from qualitative data. Statistical analysis, using descriptive statistics and inferential statistical analysis to analyze the quantitative data obtained from case studies.
Analysis. In analysis, we have two types of analysis, thematic analysis and statistical analysis. In thematic analysis, identifying key themes and patterns from qualitative data. And in statistical analysis, using descriptive statistics and inferential statistical analysis to analyze quantitative data obtained from case studies. Main idea. It describes in detail the degree to which and how AI can be incorporated into the mechanical design process. The influence of AI on efficiency in designing with cost reduce and performance improve, as well as the challenges and barriers of AI integration into mechanical design.
Result. First is energy consumption. AI-based design reduces energy losses and improve thermal performance compared to conventional method. For example, AI-optimized HVAC system has shown up to 20% lower energy consumption by identifying efficient configuration and reducing efficiencies. Next is cost comparison. AI reduce material waste, prototype costs, and design iterations. Generative design minimize material usage and speed up to prototyping. Case studies show AI-driven design save up to 30% on developed costs and cut prototyping types by 50%. The third one is efficiency. AI accelerates design cycle and enhances system performance. It automates repetitive tasks, shortens design times by 50%, and improves operation lifespan by 10%, as seen in AI-optimized mechanical pumps. Next one is discussion. AI logarithms like generative design enable innovative solution and faster decision-making, outperforming traditional machine learning in structural optimization. AI design aligned with prior research but excel in speed and precision, addressing conventional limitation. Next is limitations. AI face challenges such as high computational demands and data quality, issues and need for specialized skills, which can hinder widespread adoption. Last is future work. Improvements include developing real-time adaptive system, integrating AI with LAT, and creating user-friendly tools to make AI accessible to non-experts. Cloud-based platforms and open datasets can address computational and data limitations.
We would like to express our sincere gratitude to all those who have contributed to this paper. Your support and expertise were invaluable in making this research possible. Thank you so much for listening to our defense presentation. Once again, we are Group 8 and our research topic is Smart Machines, Smarter Engineering, the Rise of Mechanical Design. Thank you.